Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to show image previews in Slack application. So how to show image previews in Slack application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Slack app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Slack app. Next, tap the profile icon at the top right of the screen. And a menu like this will appear. Tap Menu Preferences. Scroll down. And tap Show Image Previews. So that's it, tutorial how to show image previews in Slack application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.